Well, we had about 260 kids across 9 workshops here at CIS Dance Fest today, doing a variety of amazing workshops ranging from contemporary, hip-hop, Bollywood, Chinese dance, and one more. There's one more. Brazilian dance.
Highlight for sure are the workshops in the morning, because our dancers get to work with professionals in the field who gets to do that so amazing, and a variety of different genres.
There's definitely like this hype because like the studios are great. There's so many students running around. Like you felt the energy of all the dancers in the room, which is really nice because like as a dancer, I love the energy like you get from other people when you're dancing.
People from different ages are so talented, and you watch them as you dance and you get inspired by them, so it was really good. I've never realized that I had this much energy inside of me, so it was nice to kind of let it out.
The showcase is a great way to end the day. The dancers are pretty exhausted from dancing for 3 hours, but they're still excited and energized to come back and to perform the dances that they've been working so hard on from the beginning of the year. And it's a great way to just push their bodies just that much further, as well as sit back and relax and get motivated and inspired by watching their peers.
So this is an opportunity to try out some of our dances on the stage and get feedback. That feedback from other people is really valuable for us.
Today was basically just a celebration of dance and cultures coming together to showcase what they've learned in dance, as well as just learning and exploring movement.
It's a marvelous opportunity for us to learn with each other and to learn from each other.
To see the talent that that lies within the student body is incredible. Like the people from different ages are so talented.
But it was really cool seeing everyone come together and just have a lot of fun.